Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that I love drinking every day, bone broth. You may have heard of bone broth as a super drink that celebrities and health experts rave about. But what is it really and why is it so good for you? In this video, I'm going to tell you what bone broth is, what's in it, and what it can do for your health. I'll also show you how to make your own bone broth at home. So stick around and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more health tips. This video is brought to you by Good Health Corner. At Good Health Corner, we bring research health information in a simplified manner that is easy to understand. If you like what you see here, we request you to support us by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell icon. This will ensure you get notified every time we release a new video. Disclaimer. The health statements made in this video and the site are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. They're solely for information purposes. Always consult your doctor before implementing any treatment protocol. Now coming back to the topic. What is bone broth? Bone broth is a yummy and healthy stock that is made by cooking animal bones and tissues for a long time, usually between 4 to 24 hours. This makes the bones and tissues release their goodness into the water, creating a rich and tasty broth that you can use for soups, sauces, or just sip on its own. You can make bone broth from any animal bones, but some of the most common ones are chicken, turkey, beef, lamb, and fish. You can also add veggies, herbs, spices, vinegar, or lemon juice to make it even more delicious and nutritious. That brings to the next question. What's in bone broth? Bone broth has a lot of stuff that your body needs and loves. Here are some of the main ones. Collagen. Collagen is the most common protein in your body and it makes up your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels and teeth. Collagen helps to keep your skin smooth and firm, your joints bendy and strong and your bones hard and dense. So when you cook collagen, it turns into gelatin, which is like jelly for your body. Gelatin. Gelatin is a form of cooked collagen that gives your body amino acids which are the building blocks of proteins. Gelatin has a lot of glycine, which is an amino acid that helps your brain work better and helps you sleep better and remember more. Minerals. Bone broth has minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, sodium, iron, zinc, selenium and manganese. These minerals are important for your bones, muscles, nerves, blood pressure, immune system and metabolism. Vitamins. Bone broth has vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin E, vitamin K, omega-3s, omega-6s, choline, biotin, folate, pantothenic acid, niacin, thiamine, just to name a few. These vitamins are essential for your eyesight, energy, blood cells, skin, blood clotting, brain, and many other things. So obviously the next question is, so what are the benefits of bone broth? Bone broth has many benefits for your health and wellness. Here are some of the top ones. It helps your joints. Bone broth has glucosamine and chondroitin, which are natural stuff found in cartilage and tissues that help protect your joints from getting worn out. A 2017 study found that gelatin can increase the amount of collagen in your tissues, which may help prevent joint problems. It helps your gut. Bone broth has gelatin, which can help soothe and heal your gut lining, especially if you're having issues like leaky gut, IBS, or IBD. Gelatin also helps in digestion by making foods easier to break down. It helps the immune system. Bone broth has amino acids like glycine, arginine, proline, which can help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Bone broth also has minerals like zinc and selenium that are vital for your immune system and fighting off free radicals. It helps your skin. Bone broth has collagen and gelatin that can help improve your skin elasticity and hydration by giving it support and moisture. Collagen also helps reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and sagging skin by making new collagen and elastin fibers in your skin cells. It helps your weight. Bone broth can help you lose weight or stay healthy by giving you protein and amino acids that can speed up your metabolism and make you feel full. Bone broth also has low calories and carbs compared to other foods or drinks that make you hungry. Now, how to make bone broth? Making bone broth is easy and you don't need a recipe. All you need are bones, vinegar, water, and a pot. But if you want some guidance, I have included a simple recipe in the description of the video and also some ready-made bone broth which you can buy from the market. You can keep your bone broth in the fridge up to a week or in the freezer up to 6 months. How to buy bone broth? If you don't have time or energy to make your own bone broth, you can also buy ready-made bone broth from the stores or online. But not all bone broths are the same. Some may have bad stuff like additives, preservatives, or low-quality ingredients that may ruin the taste or healthiness. Here are some tips on how to choose a good bone broth. Look for organic or grass-fed bones from animals that were raised without hormones or antibiotics. Look for bone broths that have been cooked for at least 10 hours or more to make sure that they have lots of nutrients. Number 3. Look for bone broths that have a thick layer of gelatin on top when cold or frozen. This means they have lots of collagen. And number 4. Look for bone broths that have few ingredients like water, bones, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Avoid bone broths that have added sugars, flavors, colors, or other fake stuff. Bone broth is a delicious and healthy drink that can do wonders for your health. It can help your joints, it can help your gut, immune system, skin, and weight by giving you collagen, gelatin, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins. You can make your own bone broth at home with simple ingredients or buy ready-made bone broth from good brands. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked this video and learned something new about bone broth. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in this topic. And if you have questions or comments about bone broth, please leave them below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.